Hello, welcome to Voltage Radio. Knock, knock. Who is there? It's me with a brand new t-shirt. Hip, hip. It is Friday. It is my last day today of school. It's my last day of school. In what section? I am so great. How did you do that? What's in the box, Fox? What's in the box, Fox? How do you open this thing? Where is it? Where do you open it? Where do you open it? I can't do it. I'm getting stuff. So open it and open it. Here's the tape. What? There is a juice van. I can see a twat. It's a sign of a juice bottle, a big juice bottle. He's dressed like a penguin. He's a human that is dressed like a penguin because this has a penguin on it. Again, come on. Oh. One, two, and even more little bags inside. The end got hung out. The end's got the instructs. I'm gonna leave this here and this here. He's holding juice. This and this. Get the pieces and then I can put them on. No, it's easy. Star Wars and Lego City. Awesome does. Five plus. It says five. I said 5 plus. Where's number 2? Bye. Half asleep Chris. I don't know. Because I had a funny dream. And my mummy didn't know. And mummy didn't know because she wasn't in there. We were killing monsters. Me and Awesome. 100,044. No, actually 100,055. Because some people helped us. Pew, 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 pew. I don't know. Flavor of slushy: strawberry, cherry, apple, blueberry. When I drink cherry, I go, oh, don't want my shoes. Kick, butt, kick, butt, kick, butt. Kick, butt, butt. This it's a penguin with a slushy. No. They eat fish, but not cooked. No. Fish fingers are cooked. They eat fish that's not cooked. They eat raw fish. Mummy has that. Mummy has that loads of times. Oosh, yeah. Sissy, 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 sissy. Something's on the floor. Can you get it? bananas, and also seeds because I love growing. Like sunflower. Like Daddy, I already put the sticker on it. Blueberry, strawberry, cherry, apple. A flamingo's not a fruit. Ew. I don't like cabbage ice cream. Daddy, I like Oreo ice cream because Orson had Oreo ice cream before.
Orson has.
Yeah? Meow, meow, woo! Doop-ba, doop-ba, doop-ba-da-doo. Hello! I don't know. I put these on the wrong way. Hello, what you doing? Boo boo. Bye bye. Shut the door. Open the door. Shut the door. Open the door. Did the door open actually? Baby, baby, baby. Baby, baby, baby. The wheels in the bus go baby, baby, baby. Baby, baby, baby. Baby, baby, baby. Juice bottle. Hey, your slushy. Hey, your slushy. It goes in the toilet. If I put 3 wheels on it, it still rolls. That opens and closes. I like the colours. This was what was in the box. This is a slushy van. Oh no! He's dressed like a penguin. Slushy. Slushy. I would like Blueberry, please. Blueberry, thank you. You want poo-poo? Don't forget to subscribe for new videos. Thanks for watching. Love you and goodbye.